we have a Kirby on the rug of fixation tonight. Yes, this is ye old Kirby Generational 5. The late 90s, early 2000s-ish. I think Kirby of, well, not really choice because it's all they sold. The Kirby that was sold. This one has come my way for bit of a service really, bit of a clean up, you know, tighten the old girl up and try and make her run well. So, let us work out how she runs now, see what the heck's wrong with it, and maybe go through the parts that will be replaced and, you know, maybe start taking her apart, ready for the start of the work. So, let's have a look at this very red vacuum cleaner. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? Now, it's very rare that I take on a Kirby to be worked on, I'll be honest. The guy phoned me up, somebody else had given him my number, whose Dyson I'd done before. The same guy that owned the multicoloured DC-07. It was his friend who called me and I said, look, I can't, you know, strip it all down, take the motor out, machine polish all the metal up to be like a mirror. I can't do that. If you want that, thank you very much, but, you know, go away. No, he said that's fine. It just needs a service, tune up, couple of new parts, you know, a clean up, but yeah, he's not expecting it to go back to a museum piece, which is good because, yeah, I'm not terribly good at doing all that sort of stuff. So, I guess the first thing we'll start with is turning it on. I'll show you how it runs now. I mean, I think it's alright really, but equally I've only ever had one G5. It was a car boot find as well. There we go, that ran okay. The tech drive's a little bit jerky and I was hoping to not go there. I certainly not quoted him a price that includes going near there. I quoted him a price for me to fit the parts that we need to buy, and that is what we shall go through now. So we'll take off the handle, which is ever so loose, so that will be tightened up. And I can't help but think it might be a good idea to have this top section off and tidy up the whole. This is what makes the tech drive move, and I have to tighten it up on my Centurion. And it probably wouldn't hurt much on this, but bar that, the handle's just going to get a good clean down and be left as it is, because I'm not going near there for this refurb. Let us pop the emptor off. Is there anything fun in the emptor? No, a couple of stones, but no money or anything. It doesn't seem like we have a horrible mess. So, haha, we have a paper bag. Sort of paper bag is it? Oh dear, it's an Electro pattern paper bag in a Kirby. The horror and shock of it. Oh, I know. There we go. So yeah, that will come out. That is one of the first things he asked for. He said, yeah, nice new pack of bags, please. So we've got bags to be replaced. Bar that, this is okay. Doesn't actually smell of anything really. It's probably not going to do it much harm to go through the washing machine on, you know, a very light fast wash, just to clean that up, clean the seals out on the emptor. I don't think there's much more to really do there. onto the machine. And yeah, in case you hadn't noticed, the light bulb is broken in here, so we have a new bulb to fit. Oh, let's lift the belt, turn the knob, take that off, and yeah, have a look at. Oh, what should we have a look at first? Actually, let's have a look at here, because the next thing that he wants off or changed is the fan. So what I actually want to do is take this off first and just see the general condition of the fan. I don't think it's actually broken, but you know, we'll change it anyway. But we'll just see what condition it's in. Yeah, under there isn't too bad. And the fan is okay, but equally, yeah, it certainly wouldn't hurt it to have a replacement and get a nice new belt spindle as well. Oh, lots of build up, but not too bad at all. Ooh, 1997, I can see on there. Marvellous. So yeah, this will be fine. We'll pop this back together and take this off another day. I can see the pin that you put a bar through and then crack it off. And yeah, that's about as far as we're going with the fan. Just as, you know, I'll give all of this a good airline out. I won't show you it in the after, but yeah, I'll give all of that a good clean out. Oh, there's a nice warranty void if removed sticker on the transmission. So yeah, it's never been apart before. I don't think I'm going to go in there, but maybe blob a little bit of silicone grease on these sliders and tighten the whole thing up. Because yeah, those screws are very, very loose. Right, on to the last piece to check over. The last thing that we are going to take a look at is under here. Yes, the brush roll is wanting replacement. Whether the guy just wants it replaced or it actually does need it, I don't know. We're going to... Oh, there we go. Have a look and find out. Well, this doesn't look like it's been off for a long while. That's quite crispy. Oh, let's take a look at our brush roll. The sensor worked absolutely fine, so I don't think there's anything wrong with that. The belt's in reasonable health. Genuine Kirby belt as well. Very nice indeed. And the brush roll, yeah, it is in dire need of replacement. It's not that it's worn too badly, although it has. It's just so soft. There is just nothing there at all. It is end of life. And yeah, that's basically the old girl gone through. We know that we need a brush roll, fan, spindle, packet of bags, this gasket. You must never forget this gasket. This one is literally like plastic now. So, and a new bulb, but it's actually missing. It's not even there at all. All of that, a good clean down and a wash of the bag, and I will come back to you. We'll start the after video maybe when we're fitting the fan, if it's not too much of a hateful, horrible experience, and we'll go from there. But for now, I and this very pleasant Kirby Generation 5 will see you soon in the after video after I spent a lot of money on this machine. Hope the guy pays me for it. I have it in writing that he is happy with the cost though. So we'll see you in the after video and we'll get this old girl working better. Thank you for watching and we will see you soon. Bye bye.